How to turn on notification on Tinder. Hello everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you how to turn on notification on your Tinder. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, you need to go to your Tinder application. Then this type of screen interface will be shown on your screen. As you can see different icon on the bottom, tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner, as this will lead to my Tinder account. On the top right corner, you can see setting icon, tap on it. So these are the settings that you can manage on your Tinder. If you scroll down, you can find notification on app settings. From there, first you need to tap on email, then turn it on by sliding it right. Now tap on the arrow which is on the top left corner. After that, you have to tap on push notification. As you can see, some notifications are off, so you have to turn it on. Again tap on the arrow in the top left corner to go back. Now press on Team Tinder. As you can see, the notification is off. Turn it on, which will lead you to receive news, updates and offer from Tinder. So this is how you have easily turned on all the notifications on Tinder. If you found this tutorial video informative and easy, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us. So this much for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.